Hola! Planning a trip to Portugal? From historic cities to stunning coastlines, Portugal is full of amazing destinations. Today, we're counting down the top 5 places you absolutely must visit in Portugal, all in just 3 minutes. Let's explore. Number 1. Lisbon. Lisbon is Portugal's vibrant capital. Explore the historic Belém Tower. Wander through the colorful streets of Alfama and enjoy the view from the iconic trams. Lisbon is a city where every corner tells a story. Historic, colorful, and incredibly lively. Don't miss the breathtaking views from the many miradouros scattered across the 7 hills. Next, visit Porto. Porto is famous for its riverside charm and delicious port wine. Walk along the Ribeira district, enjoy the vibrant atmosphere, and cross the iconic Dom Luís I Bridge. Taste authentic Portuguese wines in the historic cellars of Vila Nova de Gaia. Scenic, cultural, and delicious. The city's soul is written in its blue and white tiles, found on churches and train stations alike. Head to Sintra. Sintra feels like a fairy tale. Visit magical palaces, like Pena Palace. Explore the mysterious gardens of Quinta da Regaleira, and enjoy breathtaking mountain views. From the Moorish castle to the Montserrat Palace, Sintra is a world of magic, history, and wonder. Take a moment to wander through the town center and try a traditional travesseiro pastry. Next, explore the southern region of Algarve. The Algarve is famous for stunning beaches and dramatic cliffs. It's a beach paradise perfect for relaxing, swimming, or exploring hidden coastal caves. The water is incredibly inviting, and the scenery is simply relaxing. A true coastal dream, charming fishing villages, and vibrant nightlife make the Algarve a destination for everyone. Finally, visit Madeira. This island is a nature lover's dream. With lush landscapes and volcanic cliffs, explore the beautiful walking trails and peaceful escapes far from the busy city life. Natural beauty, peaceful vibes, and scenic vistas await you on this incredible island paradise. Known as the Garden of the Atlantic, Madeira's flora and fauna are truly spectacular. So, which Portuguese destination would you love to visit first? Tell us in the comments. Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more incredible travel adventures around the world. Adios!